You like this car, Dad? Dad, look, no smoking right there.
Oh yeah. I gotta smoke.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another awesome video. Now this video is kind of going to be a part 2 to the video I made a few days ago where I show you guys our smashed up car. Now if you guys haven't seen that video, I'll have a link down below where you guys can go check that out. Now let me give you the little story on that. We were going to Walmart to get Pokemon Let's Go Pikachu, and on the way home my dad hit a deer. Now it's been getting darker out because of winter and all that, so my dad couldn't really see the deer and he couldn't react, and it just bam. So we hit a deer, we totaled our car, and we're going downstate to see my sister because she sells Chevy cars, and we actually bought a car from her and we're going down to get it. It's gonna be a 2019 Chevy Equinox. The one car that we totaled was a 2014 Equinox. So it's gonna be really nice. It's gonna be a really nice upgrade. We were able to get a nice Chevy Equinox 2019 with a nice package on there and all that good stuff, and it's gonna be pretty cool. So I just thought that I would make like kind of like a part 2 video and bring you guys along to that and show you guys our new car. And we're gonna be visiting my sister, and I'll throw in some different clips and stuff. So it should be a pretty good video. I don't really have much that I can film like on the way there, because we're just gonna be driving and driving and driving until we get down there. But when we get down there, I'll take some different video clips and stuff, and then I'll put it together into a nice little video for you guys. So this is gonna be like a part 2 to that video that I made a while back. I hope you guys enjoy, and you better leave a like, because I just sat here for like 20 minutes trying to do this intro. It is cold out. We're actually just getting ready. We're getting our clothes and our electronics. You know, I need my laptop and stuff to edit videos, and my sister actually has had me do a wedding video that I have to give to her. But we're just getting ready. There's not going to be much for me to film along the way, so I'm just gonna like snap my fingers and we'll be down there. I guess I'll see you guys in in like 1 second. So I'm gonna snap my fingers and we'll be downstate.
Oh yeah, you just gotta call.
Yeah, she called yesterday and your dad forgot to
It was like,
call.
oh yeah, my dad's gonna get a new truck soon, so we'll be calling you again. She thinks it's your truck because I don't live there. So, if this ever dies, you ever drop it in water or something, there is a little, because you don't need a key to start the car, you hit a button now. So this little button right here,
Yeah.
pop that open, and it pops out a key.
Okay.
So that will be able to get you in the door. That'll get you in the door. I'll show you how. And that'll pop the door handle off so you can get in the car. Then you put it back together and put it in your front cup holder, and that'll get it close enough to the receiver to start the car. Unless you don't like it. You want regular coffee? You want another one?
No, it's good.
Outside and put it. Credit score, you Dad, 778. You're 66% higher than all U.S. consumers, so change your autograph right there. This is an 801.
I pay my bill.
Yeah, I do. It's high, Dad. That's really high. Like my coat? Oh my god, you put this on, you'd be so in it.
I need a new coat. This is too big for me now, and it's...
I got about 5 coats at home. You want a pea coat?
Yeah. Yeah. This is the first lady Ashley started out with when we kept saying, is she ever going to be okay? And Teresa kept saying, yes,
And
she's
look
gonna
at-
be just fine.
And she's just fine,
Just fine.
isn't she?
Yeah.
She's got her new coat on, so
But I
she
had to
thinks she's
do
cool
the mom
today.
thing, you know?
Yeah, yeah.
Worry about it.
Oh, I
I
have.
know.
I still wear it every day.
Of course.
They're backup moms. Don't worry. Trust me.
Don't, yeah. We tell her what to do.
Trust me. I've
She doesn't,
almost
hey,
called
she
you
doesn't
guys.
always listen.
I've almost
But-
called you before when she's called me.
Are you videotaping us?
Yeah.
She's called me some
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
all you guys in bed. You got a good group.
So on this, on the key fob right here, you see that? The key fob, you double tap it, pops that open.
Wow.
Now what's the automatic lift on it?
That's
You said?
that. And then, so you can now, this right here, you see this little thing right here? See the
Yeah.
little thing right there? So then I'll show you how you can adjust this
Wait,
height.
show us our storage under
Oh, yeah.
here.
This is your mat, and so you've got that storage.
Ooh, nice.
And then your tire's underneath this. So you just lift this little
Oh, the tire's under there. Okay, I thought it was under the car.
Tyler's got 2 ports back here. This seat can be right, like adjust right here, and then it'll go back 2 inches.
Yeah.
Keyless entry, push button start. You don't have to, just keep the key in your pocket of your purse the whole time. Walk up to this button right here. It'll unlock, you can get in. So, I'll show you how to work all this when you want, but just walk around it real quick to make sure you don't see no scratches. It's like hair.
All right, so this car is not totaled. What do you guys think? Do you like it, Mom?
That four-wheel drive
Yeah.
on the fly.
You just hit a button. I'll show you how.
All right.
You like this,
You show
Dad?
us some other day.
It's cold.
Be inside the vehicle when I show you. Come on.
You like this car, Dad? Dad, look, no smoking right there.
Oh, yeah. Well, I got smoke.
All right, so what do you think about your new car?
It's really awesome.
It's red.
What?
It's red.
Oh, yeah. You like red, don't you?
I like red.
Okay, anything else?
I don't know what to think.
What's your favorite thing about it?
I don't know yet, because I haven't been able to drive it very much. I haven't drove it at all.
Do you see on the door on the bottom by your left leg? Do you see that?
Okay
button?
then. Dad, so what aren't we gonna do with this car?
Smash it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't hit any deer.
I just thought of something that I really like is the bed liners.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, the plastic
floor
ones,
liners?
the floor liners, yeah, because you can
Yeah,
take
I
them
think
out.
But I could have bought me a truck.
No. No. You know what those trucks start at? 47 grand.
Dang.
See
Dad,
that?
these mats here, they fit for the truck. You just pull them out and spray them off at the car wash, okay?
I like them.
All right, so what are we gonna do now?
Now we're gonna go to lunch, take our sales person to lunch, and
Which is my sister.
then from there we'll probably head home.
Wah. Yeah,
Well, we have to come back to the dealership though first.
yeah. I left my computer there. Don't wanna
Right.
forget that.
No, and we got to pick up the rental.
Yeah. So we're gonna go out to eat with my sister, and then just head home. So there's not really much for me to film. I might get a little video clip of us at the wherever we're gonna eat, but that's about it. So if you guys have enjoyed this video, go down below, smash the like button, and if you're new to the channel,
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
If you're new to the channel,
please subscribe.
please subscribe.
Yeah.
Hit like down below.
Oh God. Anything you want to say, Dad?
Hungry.
Okay.
Are we gonna go eat?
Yeah, we're
Yeah.
going to eat.
I go give Joe his cord back, and he goes, "Did you get a new coat or 2, or is that too big, or is that the style?"
So where are we going to eat? Do you know?
You just want the Royal Diner.
The Royal
And I
Diner.
was like, Tabitha, if that lady calls, call me. She goes,
All right, I'll see you guys in a little bit.
Buckle up.
Alright, so we just got done eating. What did you eat?
I had a strawberry chicken salad.
I had a, like a hoagie or whatever. I don't even know. It's like their special, like, hoagie thing.
That cup of chicken noodle soup, man, that was a...
Yeah, so that was good.
That was like a meal.
Alright, so I think I'm just going to end the video here. We just got done eating, as you guys just saw. You want to say goodbye, Ashley?
Bye.
Bye.
Yep, there's my dad.
Bye.
Bye. Mom.
Bye.
Alright, like we said, go down below, smash the like button, please subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace!